put it on a suit, be tiptoeing to you if you're down for it.
For our project summary, the title of our project is Fee Waiver Application Form. This project aims to transfer the college fee waiver form from physical format to online format. This transformation aims to improve the efficiency of the application process and speed up data handling. This reform is also expected to provide a better experience for students in making application for fee exemption easily and effectively. Apart from that, there are several reasons why students apply for this college fee exemption. It is because they are facing extreme financial hardship and need help to continue their studies. Then, commitment to the campus or institute, which is students who have demonstrated a high level of commitment to their institution. The application form system will start with sign up or login session. The user must enter the right information provided by the system. At the end of the process, the system will display the information and the detail that they enter to need confirmation either correct or not.
Objective of this project: first one, to record students' detail and GPA for each semester. The second one, to identify student status and category. The last one, to calculate total wages and identify fee exemption eligibility. Problem analysis. In problem analysis, we have input, process and output. In input, we have name, student ID, IC number, code program, telephone number, current semester, GPA for each semester, student status, student's category, father's details, mother's details and total wages. In process, we keep students' information, we keep students' current semester, we keep students' GPA for each semester, we classify student status, we classify students' category, we keep father's details, we keep mother's details, and we calculate total wages, which is total wages is equal to father's wages plus mother's wages. And the last one is output. Output, we display students' information, students' current semester, students' GPA for each semester, student status, students' category, father's details, mother's details, and we display succeed or not succeed.
Next, for our flowchart, we will start with sign up or login. And then we will get the name, code program, student ID and get password. And then the system will display proceed. And then we'll get the full name, student ID, IC number, code program, telephone number and get GPA every semester. Next, we will get the vehicle, either motorbike, car or none. If motorbike, we will get the model, get plate number, same to the car, and if none, the system will display no vehicle. Next, we will go to choose status. For choose status, Case A will display pra-pendidikan tinggi, Case B will display diploma, Case D will display kursus profesional, Case E status ijazah sarjana muda, and instead of A, B, D, E will display not a student and cannot proceed. Next, we will get the student category. Is it 1? 1 is OKU and then will display proceed. 2 is MPP, display proceed. 3 is JPK, display proceed. 4 is athlete, display proceed. 5 is badan beruniform, display proceed. And 6 lain-lain, and we need to get the nyatakan. For the next flowchart, we will get the father's name, occupation, office number, wage, and mother's name. We need to choose work or housewife. And if work, we need to get the occupation, wage, and office number. If housewife, the wage equal to RM0 ringgit, and then we will get the address. And the last one, if the total wage of fathers and mother is below than 2,050 ringgit, and then the system will display application status succeed. If total wage more than 2,050 ringgit, display application status not succeed. And that is the end of our flowchart.
Pseudocode form and function. Start. Enter user session. If choose equal to S, print name, code program, student ID, and password. If choose equal to L, print login, student ID, password. If password less or equal to A, print proceed, student application, enter their full name, student ID, IC number, code program, telephone number, and their current semester. If semester less or equal to 8, we use for loop to get GPA for each sem. Then they have to enter their vehicle. If they enter other than M, C or N, it will print as invalid. For student status, if they enter other than A, B, D or E, it will print as not a student, cannot proceed. Student category. If they choose 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, they will proceed. If they choose 6, they have to nyatakan. Then enter your father guardian's name, occupation, office number and the wages. Then your mother's name and choose work or housewife. If code equal to H, wages mother equal to 0. Else enter the occupation, wages, office number and address. Calculate total wages using function call. If total wages less or equal to 2,500, application status succeed, else not succeed, else cannot proceed, else error password must be 8 characters or less. And pseudocode for wages function. Double wages, float wages father, float wages mother. Calculate total wages equal to wages father plus wages mother. Return total wages to the main function.
As for the course code, we will ask the user whether they want to sign up or just log in. If they choose to sign up, they need to fill in their name, code program, student ID and their password. If they already signed up and just want to log in, they will only need to fill in their student ID and password. If their passwords are correct, they can continue to the next step, or else they can continue their registration. The next step is student application. They need to enter their full name, student ID, IC number, code program and telephone number. Then, they need to enter their current semester. After that, they need to enter the GPA for the SEM. After that, they need to clarify whether they have vehicle or not. If they have vehicles, they need to share their models and the plate number. As for the course code, the user need to clarify their student status, whether they are student for Prapendidikan Tinggi, diploma, kursus profesional or ijazah sarjana muda. If they are not student of these 4 selections, they cannot proceed to the next step. Same as the step before, the user need to choose their student category before proceed to the next step. The last and the most important thing, the user need to fill in the information regarding their parents or guardian. The information that need to be filled is their father's name, occupation, office number, wages. Same goes to the mom. But in addition, the mom needs to clarify whether she is working or a housewife. If she is working, enter the occupation and the wages. And the last step, if their total wages less than 2,500, the application status is succeed, or else it is not succeed. This is the output sample of the course code.